Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to do a video on my other passion, which is looking after birds, aviculture. So I raise budgies, parrots, cockatiels and all that. And I look after the babies, I hand rear them. So Yakub's going to help me today. Yakub, you want to go and get the baby bird?
Yes.
You can do a little bit. Go and get it then, come on. Normally I've got about 50-60 birds which I hand raise them from a baby, and I will sell a few, and they make the best pets. If you ever want a pet for your child, get a baby budgie or a cockatiel, a hand reared one. They will make the best pet you've ever thought of. Right, let's see, here it is. Haha! That's Yakub's friend. This one I've raised from 3 days old, and as you can see he's very hungry. So I've had him from 3 days old, and he's about 4 weeks now, about 6 weeks actually. Got about another week left and he'll be ready. As you can see, he's a cute little thing, very noisy, and he's one of Yakub's best friends.
He talks, he wants to eat that one, he talks so
He wants to eat, yeah, he's hungry all the time, look at that.
Look how fast he's eating.
He's eating fast. We've got another two that we're looking after. One's called Screaming, and Yakub's got one. Yakub, what's your one called?
Bobo.
Bobo.
Yes.
Yes? Yakub's one's called Bobo. That's his personal one he's raised from a baby.
I like Bobo.
You like Bobo the best because he sits on your head.
Yeah, and my shoulder.
And your shoulder. He tickles you.
Yeah.
Okay, we can get Bobo out as well. We can show them Bobo as well.
We go put all of them on my head.
All of them? Yeah?
Only 2 of them.
Okay.
We can't put the little
They do
one.
fly around a bit though,
We
sometimes.
can't put the little one on my head.
No, he's too young.
Yeah?
Look, he's still hungry, this one.
Yeah.
Come on, this one's spoon fed. The other one's fed by the syringe. What I feed them is bird formula, baby bird formula.
One day we're going to make a video how we make it.
How we make the food, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do a video on that as well. There we go.
Some people don't know.
Right, what you can do is normally you see the chest, it's puffed up on the full. Let's give him a little
It's
clean.
puffed up like this.
Yeah, there we go. Look at that, he's a noisy little fella, this one. Not quite sure if he's a fella,
Yeah.
he's still a little baby. Right, let's put him back.
Yeah.
And you want to put him back?
Yeah.
Go on then. Get a box, get a little box. Put him in his box. There we go. And go and get Screech, you're going to go and get Screech. Why do we call him Screech? Because he screeches all the time. Right, this one, feed him with a syringe. So he's been fed with a syringe from a baby. It depends how you feed them, how you want to feed them from a baby. That's how they'll eat all the time. You got Screech? Here comes Screech. Let's go. Screech is flown off. Screech is come on, Screech.
I let him go so I don't need to
There we go. Come on, little boo.
I let go of him so I don't need to carry him
Look at that.
anymore.
Screech is a cockatiel, baby cock.
Whoa!
Oh, he's flown off. Come on.
Screech!
Come on, Screech. There we go. Screech is flown back. He flies off and he
Screech just learned how to fly.
He just learned how to fly. You hold on to Screech now for a while.
Yeah.
While I get his food ready. Hold on. Hold him, Baba. Hold him on the top or he'll fly off again. He'll fly on your head. Right, here we go. As you can see,
Yeah.
the syringe feed him. Come on. Look, he's not hungry. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Here we go. He's going to fly off again. Come on, Nookie.
Good he didn't spill the food.
No, yeah. He's not
He
hungry.
filled the box with like
Yeah,
this.
come on. He just wants to fly back, this little one. Come flying, Screech. Come on. Come on.
He's a naughty one.
He's a naughty one. You want to sit on Yakub's head, shoulder? There you go.
Oh,
He loves Yakub. They all love Yakub.
yeah.
Come on, little fella.
I told him I'm the boss.
Do you want to go and get Bobo then?
Where?
No. So we put Screech back and get Bobo. Screech is not hungry.
But I get
He just
2
wants
of
to
them.
fly. Play with both of them?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold on to Squeak.
Yeah.
Right, go and get Bobo. Bobo's the other one, he's Yakul's favourite. He's a cute little boy. There we go. Here we go. Come. Well, I'm over there
This
now.
is Bobo. I think he's not bad. Yeah. Bobo came.
Now we've got Bobo
Yeah.
together.
Bobo came.
Bobo's the biggest one. Come on, Bobo. He's landed on my head now, Bobo.
Bobo. Put him
Come
on
on,
my
Bobo.
shoulder.
That's Bobo. Now he's fully
Bobo.
grown cockatiel. Come on. Come on. That's why you can't let them all out together. They all go. Yeah, cool. Get it back. Come on. There's a good boy. There we go. That's both of them there. Right, put Squeak.
Look what they did to the flowers.
Yeah, come. Put him. There you go. You want to dance about with him?
Put him on
Right.
my
Thank you
shoulder.
for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. There we go. Thank you everyone. Watch out for the next video.